Hey, everyone! Welcome back to TILSTER, where we help you unleash your potential. Today, we're focusing on one of the most fundamental exercises, the push-up. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness pro, it's easy to make common mistakes that can hinder your progress or even lead to injury. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perfect your push-up form and avoid those mistakes. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, flared elbows. This is one of the most common push-up mistakes and can put unnecessary strain on your shoulders. Instead, tuck your elbows closer to your body at about a 45-degree angle. This will engage your chest and triceps more effectively and protect your shoulders. Mistake number 2, sagging hips. When your hips dip down during a push-up, you're taking the tension off your core and putting strain on your lower back. To fix this, engage your core and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Think of it as holding a plank while doing your push-up. Mistake number 3, not going through the full range of motion. Half-repping your push-ups won't get you the full benefits. Make sure to lower your chest all the way to the ground, or just above it, and fully extend your arms at the top. This will activate more muscle fibers and lead to better results. Mistake number 4, dropping your head. Many people tend to look down, causing their head to drop during push-ups. This can strain your neck and throw off your alignment. Keep your neck neutral by looking slightly ahead of you and maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels. Mistake number 5, inconsistent breathing. Believe it or not, how you breathe during a push-up can affect your performance. Hold your breath, and you'll fatigue faster. Instead, exhale as you push up and inhale as you lower down. This rhythm will keep your muscles oxygenated and help you power through more reps. Now you know how to perfect your push-ups and avoid the most common mistakes. Practice these tips, and you'll be mastering the push-up in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to TILSTER for more workout tips and fitness advice to unleash your potential. See you in the next video.